Okay, recording started.
Okay, so we will go through some of the concepts of Jes2 today. Okay,
Okay.
so let me share the screen. Okay, so see here, you are seeing this red alert right here, information. Okay, so I stands for information. It is saying my logreg data set is full. Okay, sys1 dot logreg. Okay,
Yeah.
so if you get this kind of alert, it says that your logreg dataset. What is logreg dataset? We discussed it in PalmLib member when we were discussing IEA, SYS. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So why we use logreg?
For logging the like errors and all.
All your system related errors, hardware related errors, everything will be captured under logreg. Okay. To offload your logreg. Okay, to offload your logreg. Offload or dump. Okay, so almost it's the same thing. Okay,
Yeah.
so some people say, okay, you have to dump this data set. Okay,
Yeah.
or you upload it. So the utility we are using is eref.
Europe. Yeah.
Okay, eref utility. So that utility will write the JCL tomorrow, and we will try to offload this logreg data set.
Okay.
Okay, so that
And
we will. Uh,
the Europe is used to print also, right?
this is your eref is also used to print the report. That is your error report.
Okay.
Okay. So they will ask you like what is logreg data set, why it is used, and how do you offload it. Okay.
Okay.
So it is used for error recording. You will the data set is available in the PalmLib member IASYS. Okay. And the utility to offload it is eref.
Okay.
Okay, so now today is we yesterday we discussed something about Jes2. Okay, so what is Jes2? It is the um, base subsystem. Okay, base subsystem of ZOS. Okay, so it is the normal terminology is Jes. Okay, job entry subsystem. So there were two parts in this Jes2 and Jes3. Okay, so we will be looking into now our system has a Jes2. Okay, Jes3 nowadays they are not using. Okay, most of the time they are using Jes2. Okay, so differences between Jes2 and Jes3 you can Google and try to see what are the differences. Okay, so why Jes2 came into existence is your MVS wanted one subsystem which handles all your job
Job.
entries, all the job entries. So they decided to keep one system as a subsystem which will handle all the workload. So they came up with a just job entry subsystem. So the institute which developed this is HASP, Austin Automatic. We discussed yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Austin Automatic School.
All right. Program.
What is that name? HASP,
As
Austin Automatic.
HSP, Houston Automatic Spool Program.
Not program. It is an inbuilt computer program, but that organization name you have to remember.
Okay.
Oh, it is. Austin automatic spooling priority. Okay.
Priority.
P
Okay.
stands for priority. Austin automatic spooling priority. This organization developed your just to. Okay. So HASP is a program that provides the job management, data management, task management. Okay. So
Okay.
it persists within your just to as a prefix string. Okay. So whenever you are working on Jes2, you will get all the messages starting with
Awesome.
HAS.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the one thing you have to remember. Next is how your Jes2 will start. Okay. How the
Okay.
Jes2 will start. Okay. So most of the time your Jes2 start command will be given under the Palmlib member command XX.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you go here into the Palmlib member,
Command accepts.
so see we have,
Mm,
so they will be coded like this. Okay.
yeah.
So just to palm warm equal to no R. Okay. So this is a warm start.
Yeah.
Okay. This parameter we will discuss when we discuss the just two parameters. Okay.
Okay.
So the Palmlib member is command XX. Okay. So
Yeah.
from here your just two will start. It is the first subsystem which will start after your master JCF.
Yes.
Okay. So one more thing is this sub equal to MSTR when you are mentioning these address spaces will be searched under your master proclip concatenation.
Okay.
Okay. So now there are other members also in the proclip. Okay. Now we will go to your just two. Okay. So see here proclip input
Just
just two.
one.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you come here in the just two, okay, you can find this proc 00. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the DD statement where you will be having all your
Proclip concatenation.
proclip concatenation. These all are your just to proclip concatenation. Okay,
Okay.
so how to check your just to proclip concatenation is, what is the command to check your just to proclip concatenation? We discussed it, right? This is $d proclip. Okay,
Okay.
so $d proclip is a command which will give you all your just to
Proclip
proclip
concatenation.
concatenations. Okay, so in my system it is giving you an error. See here. Okay, $d proclip. Okay, this one, what it is saying is this, whatever concatenation is there, right?
Mm.
When we are giving $d proclip, it is unable to find the path for this proc 00. Okay, so this I'm trying to fix on this from yesterday. Now I think today we'll again go through the IBM manuals and tuning manual and all.
Oh,
We'll try to see how to fix this. Okay,
oh,
so one more option you can give is $d. Okay, proclip proc 00. This command. Okay, see. No selected entries found. Okay, matching the specification. Okay, so it is unable to read the statement itself. Okay, so such things what you have to do as a system programmer, go to your IBM manuals. There are some of the manuals where I went through yesterday. See here. So this is your IBM manual in which I went through this issue. Okay. So what it says is your dynamic proclip incorrectly override static proclip under the just 2.1. Okay. So obtaining a fix for this paper. Okay. So what it is saying, dynamic proclip incorrectly overrides the static proclip. Okay. So error description is the same thing what I showed you. Okay. So just to has a following static proclips defined in its JCL. Okay.
Yeah.
Proc 01. Okay. So proc 01 has these two data sets.
Okay.
Proc 01 has these two data sets. Okay. Both data sets are cataloged on this volume.
Sisters all.
Huh. Okay.
Okay.
So next is the following proclip statement is in
Just
just to init deck to override the static
rock zero.
static proc 01. Okay.
Yeah.
So what it is saying is
It will override the static proclip.
huh. So the static proclip concatenation will be overridden by this statement. Okay.
Okay.
Now your data set this is cataloged on a volume. This one. Okay.
Mhm.
After the Jes2 is started, a dollar d proc dollar d
Proclip.
proc 001 shows this one. Okay.
Okay.
So we have merged the information from a static proclip to a dynamic proclip. So also of this is incorrect. Okay, we have carried the DD2 into the dynamic. Okay. So the command what we gave is
Dollar D proclip proc zero.
dollar d proclip proc 01. Okay. So here we have proc 00, and what the command we gave here is
Dollar D proclip proc 00.
dollar d proclip proc 00. Okay. So
Yeah.
I try to give it again. Dollar d proclip. You see dollar d proclip proc 00. It says no selectable entries. Dollar d.
So we need to give the volume serial number also.
What?
We need to give the volume serial number. Volser.
Oh, you're saying we need to give the answer also.
No, I'm just saying.
Where it is saying we need to give the answer.
No, it is saying Volser of JFP proclip is incorrect. We have calculated.
Ah, it is incorrect. See here what it is happening is
The dynamic one override the static one. Dynamic.
See here in this my system, what is happening is this one is on a different volume.
Okay.
Okay, and these all are on a different volume. Okay.
Okay.
So if we try to create this on the same volume and try to if we try to give it, okay, it might spell the issue. We'll see. Okay. See it is on JASYS1. Okay. This is one volume. Okay.
Okay.
So the thing which is available, this one, it is volume available on a different volume.
Okay.
JARES1. Okay. So you see the information of this volume serial is then hmm, we have 3390 as a device type. Okay. So it is PO FP809040. So we'll try to create, okay, allocated cylinders is 5, allocated extend is 1, allocated cylinders is 5 cylinders are allocated. So you take this things. Okay, here now we'll try to create that user dot proclip is there, no?
Okay.
With these specifications before that. Here, what is that? First one, user.proclip. Okay. So user.proclip, you see the information of what is available in user.proclip. See, it is available on a different volume.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, if you give an I to this, okay.
Okay.
So it is again 3390 POFP 809040. So we will take these details. 9040 and this also. So we will rename this data set now first. What we will do is we will rename it to dot backup data set is renamed. Okay, now we will create a new data set.
Okay.
So from here user dot proclip. Okay, so parameter here, see, we have to change it to JARES. Okay. Yes, one. So device type is 3390. What is the device type here? 3390. It is POFB80. 3390. Sorry, volume serial, right? 3390. Volume serial is here. Device type is 3390. Then data class. Like it will take the data class. So space unit, they have given. Use directory block 17 allocated. So what we'll do is now we'll give 809040. First extent is 10, secondary extent is 1. So FB 809040. So here FB 809040. This one is PDS. Okay. So now user.properly we are creating it on the same volume. Invalid unit, it is saying device unit. Database.
Track.
Hmm?
Here it is in track, right?
Where? Here, TRK. 3390, it is saying invalid. We give 3390 only, right? Generate creator device type. 3390 only device type, but it is not taking.
Your sharing is gone.
From how much time?
Now, just now. Yeah, it came.
It is, you can see now.
Yes.
So 3390. So here 03330. Okay, this you do it, let it allocate. Okay.
Okay.
So, uh,
And below space unit, we can say track, right?
where it is?
Below that line, yeah, there, track on top. Space units, data class, that
Space unit we give, right? TRACK,
one. Okay, that is
TRK,
okay.
TRKS you were saying.
Okay, clear case.
We are able to see the screen.
Yeah, I can see.
It is allocated. Okay. So, you know, by default it took 3390. So it is allocating on its own.
Okay,
Now, see, you have done this, you have changed this, okay?
okay,
You have done a small modification. Your existing address spaces of just two, okay, are not affected here, okay? But you have done the palm changes, okay?
okay,
So try to understand it why we are coming here now, okay? So what we did is we did some modification for your just to proclip concatenation, okay? We entered into the proclip and we did it, okay? So in real time in HMC we have a profile called as edit profile,
okay,
okay? Edit profile.
okay,
Every alpha has its own edit profile, okay? So someone asks you now my Jes2 is not loading or certain commands under Jes2 are not working. Okay. So how I how shall I fix it immediately? Okay. So you have to say that in my HMC I have a load profile. We call it as a edit profile. Okay.
okay,
Another load profile called as edit profile. Okay. I will open that edit profile. Okay. Will log in into the edit profile and I will go for a my just to proclip concatenation. Okay.
okay,
So enter same once you open the edit profile, it will be same TSO like this. Okay.
okay,
So it will be same TSO like this. Then you go into the proclip concatenation because you're going for just to. You entered here. Okay.
oh,
So we now entered here. Okay. So now what we have done is we have changed the volume for this. Okay. So
okay,
see with just two, we have not touched any of the address spaces.
okay,
Okay. So here now, okay. So we have not touched any of the address spaces. So how you will find what are the address spaces under just two is $D just to you. Okay. $D just to command. Okay.
okay,
$D just to it will show you in just two after your just two what and all are the address spaces which are executing. Okay. So see after your just two after your just two these are your address IDs. Okay. And these are all your address spaces which are
under,
ex- under your just two. Once your just two is up, these all will be up. So we have not touched any of these address spaces.
okay,
Okay. Now what you will do is you have done your uh, some changes in the palm lip. You went into HMC edit profile. Okay, you did some changes into the palm lip. Now at this moment what you have to do is you should not go into the warm start. Okay, if you go into warm start it will again reflect all these address spaces.
okay,
Okay, we don't want these things, we want only the things which we have done now. So in such cases we'll go for it.
cold,
um, Not cold. Cold will wipe up everything. Everything will go. Okay.
okay,
We will go for an hot start.
Okay.
Hot start of your just to hot start or a quick start. Okay. So
Okay.
what this start will do is it will again it will not it will keep the status of your address spaces like this only. It will try to read the static changes what you have done to the palm lip, prop lip, sorry. Okay. So the command is yes space. Okay. Just to comma palm equal to this much. Okay. Palm equal to no request. Okay. This will automatically start your just to see there are again like palm after palm. You can give here warm comma
Okay.
no REQ. Okay. So that all we are not giving, we are directly giving no REQ. Okay, this one. Yes, just to palm equal to no REQ. Now this will not uh, touch any of these address spaces. It will just refresh the it will properly concatenation.
Okay.
So waiting job just is waiting for a data set. Which data set it is waiting? We are inside this one, right? Try to give it again. Just so we have changed the volume serial of that parameter, right?
Oh,
First one. So that is why it is not taking this. So that concatenation, if you want to fix.
okay.
Okay. So we'll try to first stop just to. Okay.
If we give just the user dot proclip dot backup, that is the old volume, sir.
No, hold on. That as it is. So $P command we are using to drain the members. Okay. So what and all members are there here? I'll show you it again. Okay. So $D you have to give MEMBER. Okay. These and all are the members which it is waiting for. Okay. So usually won't get um, this won't get completed soon. Okay. So
Oh,
what you have to do is you have to give $P. Okay. Space just to space ABEND. Okay, you are stopping just to know.
Okay.
So see what it says is okay. Reply to 98. Okay, this one says 098 you will get okay with one of the following. Okay. So now what you will take is this in this case you have to take a dump. Okay.
Okay.
So it says that okay there is no dump taken. Okay. So you will take a dump of this now. Okay. So and no hot start with the hot start is at this. So now first we will take the dump of a just two. So at now we are bringing it down, right? So we will take dump of a just two. So how we take a dump is DUMP. Okay, dump space CO double M you will give. Okay. Then in a single port you will give just two. Okay. Prompt flip issue taking a dump. Taking a dump. Okay. Taking a dump. Okay.
Okay.
This much. This is your dump title or subject of the dump.
Okay.
Okay, the form equal to just to properly issue, taking a dump. Hit enter here. So it gave you one more WTR that is 15. Specify the operand for the dump command. Now we will give 15. Okay, 15 comma job name equal to just to. Okay,
Okay.
15 comma job name equal to just to. The reply to 15 job name is just to. Okay. Now you have taken the dump. Now we have to display the dump. D space DUMP. Okay. D space DUMP. So your dump is available in this data set now for
Yeah.
your two. Now no dump data set available for the dump ID 0. So this is a common message you will be getting. Okay. So here somewhere it will give you the dump title. See here it is given. See this is
Okay.
your dump title. This will go in your log and it will say okay. This
Okay.
is a dump title. Okay. So now no dump data set available for the dump ID. Use the dump ds command or reply d to delete a dump. So now what I will do is 16 comma dum reduce d comma d. Okay. So now we have taken the dump. Okay. Now reply d to delete the dump. I don't know why it is asking. Usually you should not ask. Okay. So now we will check we have any WTR. Existing WTR is nothing. We don't have any WTR. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we will try to we had an option here. See 40. Now we will try to uh, abend the just to. Okay. So the command is $p just to command.
Thank you.
So see what it is saying. Just to does not exist. Okay, we have already brought just to down now. So what is the command to check? A comma just to. Okay, we did not reply to the 098, right? That is 14. 14. See, now it has ended just to properly. So there was a WTR pending. Okay. So we have taken the dump now and we replied to the WTR. Okay. So now if you try to give dollar team member, it is not there. Okay. Just so still there are some members where just is not completely shut down. Okay. So what we will do is we will try to start it again. Because we have changed the tone of it.
Mhm. So if we change the proclip proclip dataset name, will it be okay?
Click data set name.
In the Palmlib, just to, yeah, here, just,
Did we open it in edit mode? Still, now data set we have to give now
mhm.
just to so I think any farmlet changes if you do you have to do again an IPL on that. Then only these changes will be picked up. Otherwise we have to add it dynamically like this using this command which we discussed it here, right? So where it was given add is here it is. Where is it now? Just to properly what data set should be for. Get amount. Where is
TD1.
it? Add command given here somewhere. See here it is, okay. So to already add proclip, temp okay, DD1 DSL. if you want to fall back to the static tolerate it properly. Next, an attempt to alter a proc00 is done by an addition and a rename of a proc add proc deep proc name is proc00. Instead of falling back to the static proc order deep. So, see here, hot start. Okay, what is the local fix for this is you have to go for an hot start. Now we are trying to do the same thing, hot start. Okay, hot start or relocate the dynamic properly explicitly specify all the correct keywords. Okay,
Mm.
so problem summary. Presence. So see what he is saying is DD statement in a just to prompt. So, but with the changes in a 2.1, the init statement using a proc to DD statement in a just to proc as a base instead of starting from a scratch. Okay, a $st proc proclip name. Okay, command can be used to alter the name of the static proclip one defined in a just to or result in a static proclip being deleted. We'll go with that add command. So this command where you will give now?
Mm. Adding DSN.
No, no, your just is not working properly. Okay. So
Oh,
where you will do this command?
HMC
You will give either in HMC console
or console.
or you will give it in the edit profile.
Okay.
Clear this. Okay.
Okay.
In this, what you have to do, you have to change this DSN to user.conflict. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Not executed. Add proc add proc not executed. Add proc lib tt name equal to proc 00. Tempo. Give it again and see. See, these all you cannot do on a real system, so we are trying to do it here.
Mm-hmm.
So you consider this as a learning sessions. Okay, so this if you when if you face it again in your real system, that time you will be able to recognize. Okay, that time we tried these and all options, so you will be able to relate it. These all no one will tell you when you go for system programming things.
Yeah.
Okay, so you go here, user dot from. If we are unable to fix it, we will try to fix it again. Okay,
Okay.
so user dot proclip is our proclip now. So a proclip again proc 00 name equal to proc 00. Okay, it's not taking the command. Why it is not taking? Because we have brought the just2 down.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so we will try to fix this again. We will modify your proclip in the similar way. Okay,
Okay.
so now what we will do is we'll rename this to what is date today? D of 10, 15, 25. Okay, so we renamed it. Now this will rename back to your user dot proclip.
Okay.
We renamed it back now. We will try to come out of the proclip if we are in proclip. Okay, we'll go in this console now. Yes, this too. Okay, palm equal to laundry.
Okay.
Okay, just giving the same. Just okay. What data set it is waiting?
Can we do F and help?
Oh, that won't work. Just is waiting for a data set. This information you try to again see in your IBM manuals. Okay,
Okay.
so go to the here only you can search it.
Mm.
This is your MBS system messages. Okay,
Oh,
so here again you will give for that system message what we call.
okay.
What is that system message? This one. Okay.
Okay.
And Jes2 is waiting for it. So best thing is you can go to Jes2 tuning manual. It is the message we got is I0. We have messages here. IF message. Chapter 2. So, what is our message? IF099I. So, IF099I is it? One is 5I only here. 6 IF099I. Now, if you give here, when it comes, IF. Okay, 099. See here it is okay. So IF099 job is waiting for it.
Yes.
During initialization of a job, the job required data sets were not available. These data sets are named in a message. When a data set become available, the system will reserve them for the job and the job initialization. System issues a message to identify unavailable data. If you want to if you want to end the processing of the job, enter cancel command. The job will not time out the abandon.
ದಪ್ಪ ಕಾಪದಪ್ಪ ಹೇಗೆ ಕರಪಲ್ಲ
I will try to IPL now.
If
See
you comment out that it will work.
which one.
That user dot proclip. If we comment.
We'll see it.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
So now you have command not found out. So yeah. See, it started automatically. Okay.
Oh,
And it has started with the hot start.
start.
Okay.
Okay.
So why it was waiting is even TSO was already logged in, right?
Oh,
So TSO address space was still reflecting to the old data set. So that was the case. Now, if you give this $D number, okay,
okay.
uh, these are the numbers. So dollar D, what is it? Dollar D, just two, okay,
Okay.
just two. Dollar D just two. To display now all the just two numbers. Okay. So
Okay.
in this case, we need to stop and start the TSO, or
Mm,
you have to come out of the TSO. Then again, you have to quick start the just two. Okay. So
okay.
we'll try to now. We'll go back. Okay. We'll try to change that data set here.
Okay.
So what we did is this one. Okay. Save this. Okay. Then what we did, we went to 3.4. So here we had this user dot public. So now we will rename this to dot backup. Okay,
Okay.
and we will rename this back to the original one. Okay, now over this your prompt lib is also corrected, right?
Yeah.
Your enter user dot prompt lib. Now we will go back, log out. So if see it will release the data sets now. That is what the issue was. Here
Mhm.
when we log off, it will come out of that whatever data sets it will release on. So log off. Now you go here again. Okay. We will try to do the quick start of your just to know.
Okay.
Yes, just to
Um,
equal to. So it says that your just to is
already.
uh, because termination just to termination is completed. Just to palm equal to no me just to is already available, so you have to first stop with just to.
Okay.
See, it will give your members are training. Okay, what
Mhm.
and all members? These all members. Okay,
Okay.
so it will not complete. Okay, so this will not complete usually. What we will do is now again we will give dollar e just to comma a b e and it happened. Okay. Mhm. So now it is saying reply to with one of the following standard. So with these options, you have to reply to it. Okay, with an optional title. Okay. So what we will do is now our WTR is 18 comma and comma freedom. So in this case, it is taking its own title for the just to. Okay. So display du freedom. Okay. Now we check whether your just to is available. Okay, just to is not found. Now we will do the quick start of your just to. Okay. So
Okay.
yes, just to make one to RQ. See, yesterday I tried actually this. I thought of showing you. Okay.
Okay.
So now more just to member has
Mm.
hot started and completed. Okay. So I think now also the dollar t proc flip command will not start, but we'll try to check it. Okay. Dollar t proc flip PRS proc 0 0. So same issue. Okay. So we'll try to IPL and see last. Okay.
Okay.
This is again your Hercules console. Okay. So don't use this in real time. We use the HMC. Okay. Yeah. See. IPL 0 8 0 is the volume. Okay. Here it will ask you for some of the options. What happened to this? Executing or not? Executing. Now it is connected.
Hmm.
See, it is now come doing the IPL. After IPL, we'll again try to check whether that is reflecting or not. Okay.
Okay.
I'm putting you in mute for 5-10 minutes. You try to see these messages, okay? So wherever I want to explain you, I will explain.
Okay.
So here, just to it has taken warm start by default.
Okay.
So this message will go, okay? Tika is unable to accept the log off. So it will go. Give me a space. Oh, sorry, you have to give here 01 RETRY. Okay. So WTR I said, right? You will be getting like this WTRs. Hello, slept.
No, no.
So see 01 comma retry.
Yeah, it's gone.
So TCAS is accepting the logons now. Here. So TCAS is an address space associated with your TSO.
Yeah.
So see what are essential address spaces now? Jes2,
Yeah.
TSO, TCP/IP, VTAM,
Yes.
okay, SDSF, okay, your LLD, VLF, DLF, okay,
Okay.
um, and Rackup,
Okay.
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 So all your essential address spaces are up now, okay.
Okay.
So now which are the address spaces which is not up here? CICS is not up, okay.
Yeah.
So
DP.
I know that address space name CICS is 32, okay. Starting now CICS, okay. So what is this? Where this will be stored? CICS 32.
Under just to.
Now you got it. See under just to proclip
Okay.
concatenation. Why
Okay.
under just to proclip concatenation? Why under
Mhm.
just to proclip concatenation? How you said under just to proclip?
After master scheduler just to started.
It
So
is one of the subsystems CICS. Okay.
okay.
So one more. I'm not giving here sub equal to MSTR. I'm not giving it. I'm directly starting it. So it means it will search under
Just to proclaim.
just to proclip concatenation. So now CICS should start. CICS TS32 job not run GC level.
This the CICT, is that correct?
CI?
This the command is correct?
CICS should come. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, TS32. Now it will be. Oh, see, it has
Oh,
started.
okay, okay.
Okay, now all our address spaces, essential address spaces are up. Okay. Hmm?
Yes.
Now we'll try to check your just two again. Okay, this one you remember. Now we'll do it properly.
Okay.
First, I want to check whether just two is up. What is the command? Just two. Okay,
Just
display
okay.
just two. So
It
how we will
one
check whether just two is active or not?
two times we need to give the same.
Two times you will give
In
display comma just two. CT value
the
is changing. Okay,
changed.
now it means your just two is active. Okay,
Okay.
clear the screen by giving KRP. Okay, now we are getting one more error. This log data set is
Full.
full. That we will remove it. We'll run that eref utility. Now next is we want to see what and all are the members under just to dollar D
Just to pro.
dollar D just to. So all the address spaces under just to will be displayed to you. Okay.
Okay.
Now what we will do is we will bring only just to down. Okay. So command is
P
dollar.
P just
First we will give dollar P just to. So see members draining. Okay. It will give like this members draining. If you wait for 5 minutes, 10 minutes also, this will not going to
okay.
drain it immediately. Okay. So
Okay.
what you do is dollar P just to comma.
Abend.
This is the command dollar P just to abend. Okay.
Okay.
Now see a reply to with one of the following title. One of the following. So it is saying either end with a dump. Okay.
Okay.
So end and hot start. No hot start. Take a snap or take a dump. Okay. So what we will do is now we'll try a different option. Okay. 0 2 comma dump we will take.
Okay.
Okay. So it will give you one more WTR. So it is not taking dump. So I think by default there is a dump on this.
Okay.
Uh, First we'll reply to this. We will end this. Okay. So end what end we'll do?
0 to end.
Standard abnormal end. So you will give here 0 3 comma end.
Okay.
So now just two is ended. Okay.
Okay.
So a comma just is not found. No? So now we will do
Start.
just so this is the normal process. Now we will do a hot
Start.
start of just two. Okay. Yes, just two comma
Equal to
uh,
no.
no REQ. Okay. So hot start is in progress. Your hot start is completed. Now you want to check the address spaces under just two. What is the command you will give?
Dollar. Uh,
Uh, dollar
E
D
just to.
just two. Okay. All your address spaces should be executing. Okay, so these are your address spaces. Okay, now I will try to show you some of the things. Okay, so now if you want to see whether what is the percentage of the school, okay, dollar D SPL is the command. Okay, So your dollar DSPL will show you what is the just to spool volume percentage. Okay, see
Okay.
here it is spool utilization is 23%. Okay.
Okay.
Now what will happen is this will go to 89% and all. That time you have to set an alert. Okay. What that alert will do is in real time you have to set an alert. What that alert will do is every second, like suppose 90 second or 60 second, okay,
Okay.
90 or 60 second, it will keep on checking your spool details. Okay. That command you note it down. So they will ask you, okay. So they will ask like, okay, my spool is full. I want to monitor it on a daily basis or on a, I want to continuously monitor it. So what you have to say is I will set up a command. Okay, that command itself will monitor my spool for every 90 minutes, 90 seconds or 60 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
So before that, there is one more command I want to see. Now your spool here is 23% full. Okay. If you
Okay.
want to see if any jobs are holding the spool, command is dollar DJQ. That is your job queue. Okay.
Okay.
Comma SPL equal to this you note it down. Okay. Dollar DJQ SPL equal to, okay, you will give percentage greater than, now here 23%, right? So percentage greater than 4 you give. Mm, Percentage greater than 1 you give. Okay? Greater than 1. So let me go like this. So this will show you all the jobs which are holding the spool. Spool volume. Suppose what will happen, right? Why the spool volume will get full? Why your spool volume in general things will get full?
Because of job execution.
What is spool now? What is spool?
Spool, spool for job execution. SDSF, right?
What is spool?
System peripheral online something.
That is the definition. Where the spool will be there? Where it will
Just
be there?
to, just to.
And it is a dash data spool data set. And with there
Okay.
are the dash the volume.
Oh,
Your
okay.
your volume name is this one, JASYS1.
Okay.
Okay. Spool volume is JASYS1.
Okay.
Okay. So if this volume is full, your just to and your system will hang. Okay. You'll be not able to do anything. No activities under just to. Okay. You will be not able to come out of just to. Okay. Your console will be stuck and everything. You will get a red alert.
Okay.
Okay. Immediate you have to open an MIM bridge. Immediate open a MIM bridge and immediate involve a storage team. Storage team, even though you are MAS guy, MAS system programmer, you have to open a MIM bridge and involve the storage team immediately. Okay. From your MES point of view, what you have to say is in the call, okay, I have
Okay.
given dollar $DSPL. Okay. My spool for this volume is around 93%. Okay.
Okay.
So I try to give dollar DJQ spool equal to greater than, suppose in this case for 90 and all you give 5 here. Okay, I have given here 1. Okay. So
Okay.
it will list you the jobs in this here. There are no jobs, so it is saying no selected entries. Okay. So it will list you set up the jobs. You tell this storage team. Okay. Uh, Involve the application teams who are the owner of the jobs which are holding the mm, which are making your spool volume to get full. Okay.
Okay.
And cancel the jobs immediately or they take a call in the MIM bridge and cancel the, what you will do, you will cancel the jobs. Okay, you know the command to cancel, right?
Yeah, birds.
What is the command to cancel a job?
Cancel just to.
Why you will cancel just to?
Oh, okay. Cancel the jobs.
You have to cancel the jobs.
Yeah, we can put uh,
What is the
plus
command? Already explained you canceling the jobs.
P P job name or force.
Why
No,
you will use force?
we can
First,
put
what,
C
when you will
can.
use force? These all are interview questions. Why you will force a job immediately? First, you have to go for multiple cancels. Even if address space also, you will not force it immediately.
Okay.
Force is the last option we are using.
No.
Before that, you have to cancel it.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the command to cancel a job?
C can.
See. Okay. So now we got that there are no jobs. In this case, you won't be having the jobs. So in the MIM bridge, you will say these are the jobs which are making my school full. Okay.
Okay.
So in most of the cases, what will happen, right? Some of the jobs will be there which will go in loop. Okay. It will go in loop, and those jobs will be trying to write the data into the spool. Okay, suppose like sysout messages, your
Oh,
sysout statements will be there. Okay,
okay.
so sysout equal to star, it will write everything in the, where it will write when you see, when you use sysout equal to star,
SDSF.
this spool, right? It will
Oh,
write into the spool.
yeah.
So if the job is continuously going in executing, and if you add sysout equal to star and all, so it will try to fill up your spool. That is
Oh,
one case. Okay, worst case. Okay,
okay.
so in such case, immediately you have to cancel the jobs.
Okay.
Whatever jobs are listed, first cancel it.
Yes.
Okay. Next, you have to set up an alert. You have to set up an alert. Okay, which
Yeah.
will keep on testing your school. Okay.
Okay.
So the command is
Teaching.
$T. Okay. $T. Now I'm giving I equal to, I equal to 20. So it will, every 20 seconds it will check the spool.
Okay.
$TA comma I equal to 20 comma $D space SPL. Okay,
Okay.
$D SPL. Okay, so I equal to 20 $D SPL. So what this will do is, this command, see $D SPL will display the spool for every
20
2
seconds.
seconds. Okay, I should give this. See now 23. Again, you will get this after 20 seconds. You will get this message. So these are the two things you will do. See, again it is checking. You are getting the message. Hello.
Sorry.
Feeling sleepy here. Shall we close it?
No, no, it's okay.
Hmm. So every 20 seconds it is giving you the spool percentage.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay. Now what you have to do is, you have to offload the spool data set into the other data set. Okay.
Okay.
This is next. Next you will be doing this. Storage team will do usually, or storage will tell you to do it. So offload, display D offload. Oh, see, display D offload will offload your spool dataset into a new dataset. This one.
Okay. Sys one dot off.
sys1 dot offload.
Okay.
Yeah, sys1 dot offload. So it is your
Off.
offload one is there. Okay, now you have to assign the data set to this offload. So it is $t. Okay, command is offload one. Okay, comma dsn equal to
This one dot offload.
sys1 dot. Okay,
Okay.
this much. Hmm?
Okay.
These all you have to note it down. Okay. So now we have assigned it. We have to start the upload now. You have assigned the data set. You have to start it. Okay. So what I'm doing, dollar is in this system it will not work. Okay. So this is a atomic system, right?
Mm.
But the command is same. So they will ask you like, how shall I offload the spool?
Oh,
Okay. Question is how shall I upload the spool? $d offload you. In my console, I will give $d offload. So I will see how many upload data sets are there. Okay. So
okay.
then what I will do is I will assign the data set to the offload. Then I will start the offload by giving $s offload type equal to transmit like this.
Okay.
Okay. So after that, you have to stop the offload again. See here, offload one is trained. Hmm. Now it is completed. See offload one is equal to 0. Okay.
Okay.
So in this that is not working, but this is the standard process.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay. So we will stop it here.
Okay.
Okay. So again we will go with there are some commands. So first we'll go with all Jes2 commands. Then we'll go with the Jes2 palm lib members that is in the Jes2 palm we have read hash palm. So we will go through the members from that. So again, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll go with the commands only.
Okay.
Okay. So this will still not work, I think so. Okay. Same thing. Okay. So I'll try to find a fix for it today. Mm. Then we'll again try to give already occupancy.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm. I will close it today. Was it helpful today's session?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So go through this video again. Okay.
Okay.
Send me the video in the evening. This way we'll try to upload.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.